We were on a shoot this past weekend. I asked Scotty to that was on the show last week,
Mm.
and Swemba. I was like, "Hey, give me some. I know you had an Android phone. And I never expect much out of an Android phone. And I think he's got a Pixel.
Yeah, those things are great.
He sent me some video. I
Dude,
was like, it looked like it was from his
mhm.
DSLR. I don't know if he's got a filter on it or
No,
something. Like
The Google Pixel is a great camera.
it is
My boyfriend has
great.
one. It's an
It is
awesome,
great.
awesome camera. But,
Yeah.
I understand why we pay for, like I said, right now, the only thing that sells for me for iPhone is the fact that it's the cloud feature. Like,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I can have multiple devices shared on one account, and I can
Mhm.
just, move media where I need to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Um, Other than that, the AI thing doesn't really try to sell me. I feel like Samsung's always trying to improve the phone and the capabilities of the phone, and
Hmm.
Apple's just trying to give us features.
Yep. Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So it's like,
I feel like, and you guys can chime in here because these are, of course, our iPhone experts here from
yeah,
iPhoneography with us, Zeke. But it does feel like it felt like a lot of the uses that they came up with, like AI or what or ChatGPT will interact and do this, this, and this. It felt like it was a very practical use in most cases that they presented from what I caught from the keynote. Do you guys have that kind of vibe too?
Well, they introduced a new framework that's going to attempt to do, from what I understand, it's going to attempt to do what they promised last year by, knowing your calendar and knowing your contacts and all this stuff. And I believe it's going to do it through cloud compute or something. I think that's what they're working on, and they did say in the coming year, right?
Mm,
Over the coming year, they're gonna slowly try to roll some of this stuff out. But, I've been using Google Gemini on my iPhone for a while now. It doesn't do any of that stuff, with your calendar and all that stuff, obviously, but, um, I've just been using it to kinda compare it to ChatGPT to see if there's any difference. Is it better? Is it worse? I mean, it still asks you for confirmation, or not to not just to double check the facts, if you will. That little disclaimer. But, you know, the Apple Intelligence stuff that they say they have now, all it is like spell check and, rewrite your emails and all this stuff. Like, that to me, I don't know. I don't know if I would even call that Apple Intelligence. I think I
yeah.
would call that, you know, Grammarly with an Apple name on it type of thing.
and that's not to
So
cut
I
you
don't
off,
know.
but
Like, Dave, did you kind of pick up anything that?
Yeah, like I said, I think last year was something that's historically very non-Apple, as in overpromise and underdeliver.